Rogers Wi-Fi not appearing on your laptop often stems from three primary issues. First, your laptop's Wi-Fi adapter might be disabled. Enable it via the Fen keys or in Device Manager. Second, outdated or incompatible Wi-Fi drivers can prevent detection. Update drivers through Windows Update or the manufacturer's website, like Intel. Third, network configuration problems like incorrect SSID or security settings can cause visibility issues. Check that your laptop supports the Rogers modem's security protocol. WPA3 might block older devices. Rogers user surveys from Q3 2025 indicate that 15 to 20% of laptop users still face visibility issues, often linked to Windows 11 updates or macOS Sonoma compatibility glitches. To start diagnosing, check these areas first. Once you've diagnosed the likely cause, here's how to fix it. Ensure your Wi-Fi adapter is enabled and up to date. If a driver update doesn't work, try rolling back to a previous version. For network issues, start with a network reset. Flush DNS using ipconfig flush DNS in the command prompt, and power cycle your Rogers modem for 30 seconds. Rogers now emphasizes using their app for diagnostics. It often resolves connection issues with self-service tools. If these steps don't work, consider upgrading your laptop's Wi-Fi adapter to support newer standards like Wi-Fi 6 or 7 for improved compatibility and speeds up to 46 Gbps. According to a Rogers-sponsored study by Deloitte, Q4 2024, driver updates resolve 45% of cases, while network resets handle 30%, with combined methods achieving 90% success.